Hello. I want to show you how can make a first-person shooter game in Unity. First of all, I add the weapon and character model that I want to animate. And of course I made the character's head to hide from camera. Create player's script. Check the Generate C# class box of input system action to using actions, through the code. Now just write this code inside player script to have first-person camera and character rotation. Now create an object inside character and name it camera pivot. This is the pivot of camera and weapon. Put main camera inside camera pivot. Camera pivot should placed between two starts of arms. And main camera should placed as character's eyes. Place weapon as child of character. And give player component to the character. Give camera pivot object to player camera transform property. Oops, camera pivot position is wrong. This is because the handle tool is on center mode. So I change it to pivot mode and repositioning objects again. Place weapon inside camera pivot to rotate weapon with camera. I add some physics, capsule collider and rigid body for moving character. Now it's time to add some codes for characters move. Add this parts of code. Move speed, RB, move input, and get rigid body in awake function. Move input events. Fixed update and move character functions. Changing camera clipping planes option near, to better view on weapon. Now it's time to add some weapon sway. Create an object in position of weapon and name it weapon rig. Create weapon sway script. Write this code in weapon sway. In player script, add weapon sway property and apply sway, like this. Put weapon in weapon rig, and add weapon sway component to weapon rig. Then give weapon sway component to player's weapon sway property. Now it's time to create an walk animation.